You are welcome back to this lesson. In this particular lesson, we are going to learn how we are going to host our course. That is our video course, the place where we are going to host it so that it will be secure. Because you know that so many times people use platforms like WhatsApp or even Google Drive to host their course. But the problem with such a platform is that anybody can download their course and start sharing it anyhow or even resell it without your permission. So we are going to learn how to do this in a secure place. And the platform we are going to use is Telegram. Yes, Telegram. Something as easy as Telegram. Telegram is a powerful cloud-based messaging app, and it is known for its speed and security. Telegram is also simple, and one good thing is that it gives you the capability to share videos, files, photos, text message, and all of that. And Telegram group can accept up to 200,000 people in one group or in one channel. This channel is good for broadcasting. Telegram also offers unlimited cloud storage, secured sharing of files, dedicated channels, user engagement, and free accessibility. You don't need to pay for any subscription to use Telegram channel. Another good thing is that Telegram group allows you to create different topics, and you can use these topics to organize your courses. Now let's switch over to our system so that you will learn how to do this. Turning onto my computer, the very first thing I will do is to open my Telegram app. I have Telegram app, the desktop app. So from here, I can create my Telegram group. You can also do this with Telegram mobile app. We are going to combine two of them together. There is a reason why we are going to use Telegram mobile app. If you look at my Telegram app, you will see that I belong to so many groups. In fact, this particular one is a course I bought on Telegram. This is what opens my eye to understand that you can host an online course on Telegram. I have also created my own personal one, and people are already joining. So, for us to begin, I will come to this particular hamburger, that is the menu bar. Then click on new group. Remember that group is different from channel, so we are not creating channel but new group. The next thing we are going to do is to give the group a name. So let's just call it online course. After that, I'll then click on next. Then Telegram will ask you to add those people that you want to belong to your course. But because this course is not free, we are not going to add anyone here until they purchase and join. So I won't select anybody. I'll just go ahead and click on create button. From the three buttons here, you will click on manage group. This is similar when you are using your mobile app device, although the interface may look slightly different. The first setup we are going to do is group type. So when you come to this place, you click on it and choose whether it is going to be a public group or private group. When you are using a public group, anybody can search for your group and join. But when you have a private group, only people who have access to this link will be able to join. We are going to come back to this link. I will explain to you so that people who have access to this link will not share it with their friends. But for now, let's just save it as private group since we don't want it to be open to the public. We also have an option here that says restrict saving content, so you need to turn on this button so that members of this group will not be able to download your course. Then we'll click on save button, so we are done setting up the group type. The next thing we are going to set up is chat history for new members. So if you leave it at this, it means that anybody who joined your chat newly will not be able to see previous chats. just like it is done in WhatsApp. So we are going to change this option and turn it to visible so that new members will be able to see old chats. We'll still come back to topics. Then for reactions, you can leave all reactions, let them react. Then coming to permissions, we'll have 13/13 here. So I will change some of them. We are going to allow them to send message, but for media, we are turning off media so that they won't be able to use voice message or even send video. So we'll turn off that. We'll turn off add members. They should not add other members. We're also turning pinning of message. We'll allow only the admin, which is the cost owner, to be the only one to pin messages. We also have to turn off changing of group info from group members. After this setup, the next one is about slow mode. If you leave your slow mode off, then members can be chatting anyhow, doing a lot of things. What you can do to curtail this is to turn it to 10 seconds. Anyone who send in message will not be able to send another message until next 10 seconds. You can change it to 30 seconds or even 1 minute as case may be. When you are done with this, you then click on save. You can also add exceptions, like if you have other admins, you can exempt them from all these setups. When you are done, you click on save. So these are the permissions. I hope you understand. So the next thing we are going to learn is topics. You remember in school where you have online courses or even ebook that will be categorized into modules. Then each modules will now have lessons under it. This is exactly what Telegram did with topics. You can use topics as modules, and each modules will now contain different lessons, whether it is video, audio, or even ebooks. So we are going to turn it on now. Once we turn it on, we then save. One problem with Telegram desktop app is that you will not be able to create these topics here. I don't know why it is like that, but it's just like that. You won't be able to create your topics here. So because of this, we are going to switch to our mobile device and use it to create our topics. Then we'll come back to our desktop app. So this is our Telegram mobile device, and this is the Telegram group we just created. So from here now, let us create our topics. I will come to this particular option and tap on it. I will give the topic a name. It can be introduction. Then I will click on create. Once that is done, I can move to the next one. So we have created our first topic. Now let us go ahead and create our second topic. I will come back here again and type maybe module 1. I can also choose an icon for it. Then click on create again. You can go on and use the same method to create other modules or any subtopic that you would like to create. Let me pause the video and finish creating the topics. Now we have 3 modules. Okay, this one will now be conclusion. As you can see, we'll have 3 modules here. In each of these modules, we'll be uploading our lessons. As I said before, the lessons can be audio, video, or text, like in ebook. Now that we are done creating our topics using mobile device, I will switch over to my desktop app so that we'll continue the lesson from there. If you come to the desktop app, you will now see the modules here. The modules we created with our mobile app, they are all here. This particular general topic is where you will be providing support. Your students can use it to ask you questions and you answer them from there. You can as well close the module so that they will not go there and type in some text. So let us go back to the course and finish the setting up of the group. So I'll click on manage group again. The next thing we need to do is to get the link. This is the Telegram link to this group. So this particular Telegram link will be used in our payment method, which will be our next lesson. But before we get to that, we'll just have to copy this link and keep it somewhere so that once we finish creating our payment method, we'll put this link there. The next thing I would like you to learn is this invite links. This main link is what you will put in your payment method so that once someone make a payment, the person will be automatically redirected to this Telegram group. But there may be some people who will not like to make payments using a payment method. They would like to pay you using, they would like to make payments directly to your account. So because of such people, you will come here and click on invite links. Once you click on that, you don't copy this link to them, because if you give them this particular official or main link, they will be able to, they may share it, and every other persons who have access to this link will use it and join into your group. So what you will need to do is to create a separate link. So you click on this create new link button. After clicking on that, the first thing you will need to do is to enable this request admin approval, so that once someone clicks to join, you will verify if the person had made payments. Otherwise, you will reject the request to join the group. So you turn on this button. You may also want to make the link to expire after 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or whatever amount of time you want. But for this course, you don't need to make it to expire. Just make sure that this button is turned on, and anybody who wants to join, you will verify if the person has paid before you accept the person. Then you click on this create button and click on done. So you now have two links. This first link, as I've said before, is the one you will put on your payment method, while this one is for those who will pay you directly to your accounts. I believe you understand all these processes. If you don't, you can replay the video again until you understand. Meanwhile, I will be in the general topic to answer your questions. That will be the end of this particular lesson. The next lesson will be about how to create a payment method. See you in the next class.